Hello ladies! Oh my goodness, I'm so excited for today's video. I'm going to teach you guys a strategy that I use to make the most delicious and simple Instant Pot oats, which are amazing because I love to throw them in my Instant Pot. I go get ready, I come back, and breakfast is perfect, ready to go. These are great for regular macro days, so today is a regular macro day with our carb cycle. They're also good for rest days because they're a little lower in calories, so steel cut oats are great because they have fiber. They're low calorie, so they're also good for your rest days, your low macro days, etc. So for those of you who don't know, I'm Kate Horning. I'm a chef and nutritionist. I'm the creator of A Healthy Passion, which is a meal planning software platform designed to help busy women like you know exactly what to eat to stay on track with your healthy lifestyle. If you guys missed out, I posted a fun little thing today, so I never do this, but I posted a link to get a 7-day trial of A Healthy Passion. I did that for our Trim the Waistline free challenge. I put that together and a 7-day carb cycling meal plan. I think I'm going to take the link down probably by the end of the day today. So if you guys have not made your account yet, you're going to go up to announcements, click the link, sign up for A Healthy Passion, 7 days completely free. And then you can download the meal plan that's attached there, and it'll give you a 7-day carb cycling meal plan to follow along with. And I'm a huge believer in the power of meal planning as a tool for weight loss. I think nutrition is the number one thing that helps with weight loss. So if you can eat healthy and stay on track, you're going to reach your goals no matter what. And if you can meal plan, that's going to make it 1,000 times easier and more sustainable. So if you guys don't meal plan already with A Healthy Passion, get started today for free. It is totally transformational. Once you start using it, you're going to not be able to live without it. So, okay, so let's go ahead and get started with today's recipe. So this is our Instant Pot oatmeal. Now you can do this on the stovetop. You're just going to follow essentially the same directions as in the Instant Pot. You're going to let it cook for 5 minutes and then let it sit for 20. And what I'm going to teach you today is how to make it super creamy. So if you do Instant Pot oatmeal, it turns out really quickly, it cooks fast, but I find it's kind of like the texture's just not there. It doesn't have that like long cooked oats texture when you just do it kind of the 5 minutes and then you're done. So what I like to do is actually cook it for 5 minutes on manual and then let it sit for about 20 minutes, and all that extra moisture is going to absorb into the oats and make them extra creamy and delicious. So I'm going to switch this around and show you guys. So this is what we're cooking. So this is the Healthy Passion AHP 653. And here's the nutrition for you guys. So you can see, again, lower calorie. It's going to be high in carbs, but the net carbs are only about 38, so it's good for a rest day because we keep under 100 net carbs on our rest days. It's pretty low sugar. Again, this doesn't include the pantry items, so depending on how much honey you add, you'll add that in MyFitnessPal. But overall, the macros look really good. 6 grams of protein. If I was making this for breakfast, I'd probably throw a protein shake as well, just to kind of get the protein up, but it's still a great way to start the day. And then, of course, your 6 grams of fiber. So, okay, so I'm going to flip you guys here, and you can watch me cut for a second. It's not a lot of prep work, but I do have to cut my apple up. So, essentially, there's going to be 4 ingredients in here. So, we've got our apple. I'm using just a Fuji apple. You can use whatever you want. I'm move my Instant Pot out of the way. I'm using unsweetened almond milk. I like vanilla almond milk because it adds a nice sweetness without adding any additional sugar. I'm using some organic steel cut oats here. These are kind of my go-to. I love them as opposed to like quick cooking oats or anything like that because they're a little heartier. They seem to be more filling, and of course they're less refined. So anything that's going to be less processed is always better for us. So essentially you're just going to dice your apple up really easily there. And I would recommend making these fresh because it is such a simple thing to do. But if you do want to go ahead and make this up ahead of time, you can double the recipe and it'll last in the refrigerator for 5 days. So if you are one of those people who just likes to go ahead and prep everything up, that's cool too. You can keep them. I like to store them in mason jars, and then I'll just reheat them, dump them into a pot on the stovetop, add a little additional almond milk, and just reheat it for about 5 minutes there. Okay, so apple's going in. Let's see if I can do. Oh, I can't see then if I. I was gonna try to put you guys in my cabinet so you could see into the Instant Pot, but let's see, maybe we can do. Does that work? There we go. Sort of. Hopefully that doesn't fall. Okay, so the next that's gonna go in there is our steel cut oats. I'm using a half cup of oats. This makes 2 portions. So again, if you're doubling it, you're gonna double the amount, but I'm making for 2. And then I've got my almond milk. This is going to be 1.5 cups of almond milk into the Instant Pot. I'm going to do about a tablespoon of honey. This is really going to sweeten things up. I apologize if you can hear my dogs barking there. I put them outside figuring it would be better, but I can still hear them. Okay, so honey's gonna go in there, and I don't usually measure my honey. I kind of eyeball it because it sticks, so much of it sticks to the tablespoon that I feel like I waste a lot of it. So we're just gonna go ahead and mix that in. Okay, pinch of salt. And then the last ingredient is our cinnamon. Which I'm trying to reach without knocking you guys over. And we need about a teaspoon of cinnamon. So again, I'm gonna eyeball it. Looks good to me. Okay, now the key here is we're gonna go ahead and put our Instant Pot lid on. And for some reason I always struggle with getting it, getting it on. I don't know why. There we go. It's like the top of my food processor. I don't know why. I never get it on right. Okay, so once you figure out how to actually get it on, then you're gonna go ahead and turn your valve to sealing, so that you wanna make sure that this stays sealed because that allows it to come to pressure. Okay, and then what you're gonna do is go to manual mode. You're gonna click the manual button and you're gonna go down to 5 minutes. And then it's just gonna go ahead and get started. And then what you're gonna let it do is cook for 5 minutes. And then I usually will just set a timer on my phone for 25 minutes because that's when it'll be completely done. So it's gonna come to pressure. It's gonna cook for 5 minutes, and then you wanna let it come down from pressure on its own, and that's gonna kind of just infuse all of that water into the oats to make them super fluffy, super creamy, so good. So I'll set a timer for like 25, 30 minutes. I'll go get ready in the morning. If you wanna do this the night before, that's totally fine. They reheat really, really well. And then after about 25 minutes, it'll say 20 on here, and that's when you know it's done. Then I'll go ahead and release the valve, open it up, and fluff the oats. So I'm not gonna like sit here and let you guys or make you guys wait and watch for 20 minutes. So what I figured I'd do is I'll just post a picture when it's done. But this is essentially what it's gonna look like. I'll go ahead and post a link to this recipe. If you guys do have a Healthy Passion account, you can go ahead and access the recipe and make it. Also, I recommend, one thing I love to do is make my lists of all my favorite breakfasts. So I have like my low carb breakfast, my regular macro day breakfast. That way when I'm meal planning, I can just click a list and pull from it, and I have recipes right there. So if you guys have a Healthy Passion account, make a list, put all of your favorite breakfast recipes or all of your favorite regular macro day recipes together, and then it makes it really easy when you are meal planning. So I'll pull up like high carb recipes, and then I'll be able to see the AHP code. I can easily plug it into my FitnessPal, and it makes meal planning really, really simple. So if you guys have not snagged that link yet for the Healthy Passion account, I'll show you where it is. It's gonna be right here. It's pinned at the top. I'm gonna take it down tonight, so if you haven't made your account yet, get on it. You'll get 7 days free. After that, $79 yearly or $6 a month. It is seriously a game changer if you are committed to a healthy lifestyle and you guys want to lose weight, get on track, stay on track with carb cycling. It makes it so simple to know what to eat because all the macros are in the recipes, so you know exactly what the nutrition information is for everything. You don't have to plug every single ingredient into my FitnessPal. And I think I posted yesterday, one of my clients posted this big win. She said basically she had struggled for a long time making meals for her whole family that everyone would enjoy, and she made our pork with burst tomato sauce, and she said that she just basically took the topping off for the kids, made them an extra side, and was able to feed everyone and stay on track with their carb cycling lifestyle. So if this is what you're struggling with, Healthy Passion is the tool I created just for that. It is amazing. So go ahead and get signed up for your free trial. And also tomorrow, don't forget, you want to join me live, I'm going to be doing cooking for one. So this is something I did a ton of. I still cook for one a lot, and I've got a lot of strategies to share with you guys. If you are cooking for one and struggling to make it a priority, I know how easy it can be on nights when I'm alone to just say, oh, I'll just, throw something together. I'll eat tuna for dinner. And that's not going to help me reach my goals. So I've come up with a lot of great strategies to help make it really simple. Again, Healthy Passion, each recipe has 2 portions. So it's really great for those of us cooking for one because you can make 2 portions of a dish, have leftovers once, and then make something else simple and delicious as well. So hope you guys are having an awesome day. If you guys have any questions, just tag me below. And if you guys make this Instant Pot oatmeal, let me know. I'll go ahead and link the recipe here underneath this video when I'm done, and I'll go ahead and post a picture of you guys, or for you guys when it's finished. I hope this tip was helpful. I played around with the Instant Pot probably 5 or 6 times before I was really happy with my oatmeal. And now I've made like 20 variations. So right now I think we have a blueberry lime one in there. We have the apple cinnamon, and then we have a peach one, peaches and cream, which is so, so good. So definitely log on to your Healthy Passion account, type in Instant Pot, and you'll see all of them pop up. And you guys have a great night. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.